Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. Are you ready to test your English sentence building skills? In today's English sentence formation quiz, you'll complete 32 sentences and put your grammar knowledge to the test. This quiz is perfect for beginner learners who want to improve their sentence structure, expand their learning communication, and build confidence in everyday English. How many questions do you think you will answer correctly? Write your prediction in the comments before you start. Good luck! And let's begin. Can you score a perfect 32 out of 32? Can you complete the sentence? Answer is A. I do my homework before dinner every night. Fill in the blank. The correct answer is B. Where does your cousin work? Choose the missing word. It's B. Look at the rainbow over the mountain. Complete this sentence. The answer is D. They played basketball after school yesterday. What fits best here? Correct choice. C. My teacher always explains very clearly. Read carefully. The right answer is A. We arrived at the airport early this morning. Can you solve this one? Answer. C is correct. Sarah has never eaten sushi before. Pick the correct word. It's D. There is a cat sleeping under the chair. Complete the sentence. The answer is A. Tom and Alex have been best friends since childhood. What belongs in the blank? Answer. B. Can you lend me your notebook for a minute? Choose the correct adjective. The answer is B. The movie was so boring that everyone laughed loudly. Fill in the missing words. Correct answer. C. She is listening to music while cleaning her room. Can you complete it? The correct choice is A. How many books are there on the shelf? Find the correct preposition. Answer. B. We usually go shopping on Saturdays. Complete this sentence. The answer is C. Daniel baked a delicious cake for the party last night. Choose the best word. Correct answer. D. You should drink more water to stay healthy. Fill in the blank. The correct answer is C. Emma is the smartest student in her class. What completes this sentence? Answer. A is correct. I could not sleep because of the loud noise outside. Complete the sentence. The right answer is C. Every morning, The birds sing beautifully outside my window. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is D. She doesn't like tea. Can you finish this sentence? Correct choice. A. My grandparents have lived in this town for over 40 years. Choose the missing word. The answer is A. The children ran through the playground excitedly. Complete this sentence. Correct answer. C. Olivia forgot to turn off the lights before leaving home. Fill in the blank. The right answer is D. Neither Jack nor Liam is coming tonight. What fits best here? Answer A is correct. A dictionary helps you understand difficult vocabulary. Complete the sentence. Correct choice. B. We were tired, but we continued working. Choose the correct word. The answer is C. That restaurant serves the best pasta in town. Fill in the blank. Correct answer. D. While I was studying, my phone rang suddenly. Complete this sentence. The correct answer is A. Lucy and Mia are planning a surprise for their friend. What belongs in the blank? Answer B. Please give the keys back to him. Can you complete it? Correct answer. C. The test was easier than I expected. Finish the sentence. The correct answer is D. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home. Thank you so much for watching today's English sentence formation quiz. Every question you answer helps improve your English skills and strengthen your understanding of sentence structure. Keep practicing a little every day, and you will become more confident in speaking and understanding English. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. Tell us your final score in the comments. See you in the next English learning challenge on Solve Loop. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.